ESXi Partition in vSphere 7. ESXi 7 introduced a system storage layout that allows flexible partition management and support for large modules and third-party components. Let's review the ESXi system storage partition layout for vSphere 7 in detail. ESXi has mainly 4 partitions. First one is a system boot, which stores bootloader and EFI modules. There are 2 boot bank partitions, boot bank 0 and 1. Boot bank 0 is the place where the hypervisor image is located. Boot bank 1, which will be normally empty after a fresh ESXi installation. But in case of an ESXi upgrade, the current image in boot bank 0 will be copied to the boot bank 1 partition. So this provides an inbuilt redundancy in case of any issues with the ESXi upgrade. The fourth one is ESX OS data, which acts as a unified location to store extra modules, system configuration and state, and system virtual machines. System boot partition. The EFI components and bootloader are stored in a FAT16 partition called system boot. Bootloader, as we know, fetches the OS kernel from the hard disk and loads to the main memory RAM. Like previous versions of vSphere, system boot partition is of fixed size of 100 MB. Boot bank 0. Boot bank 0 is the location where the hypervisor image is placed. It's a dynamic partition with a range of sizes ranging from 500 MB to 4 GB. Boot bank 1. Boot bank 1 is used as an alternative boot bank partition. This, as we mentioned earlier, this will be empty after a fresh ESXi installation, and it copies the current image from boot bank partitions once ESXi is upgraded. This is also a dynamic partition with a range of sizes from 500 MB to 4 GB. An ESXi OS data partition, which is separated into 2 high-level data types, persistent and non-persistent data. So the ROM data, which is persistent, keeps the data which is produced rarely, such as VM tools, ISOs, settings, and core dumps. RAM data include logs, VMFS global traces, vSAN, EPD, and traces, as well as active databases. Thanks for watching this video.